So multi-generational support is any treatment or services that looks at treating the entire family. So from child services to parent to caregiver services to adult services or even senior services, because for many people of color, especially the Black community, most of our households are comprised of multi-generations.
So wraparound services is a term that we use to identify or define when multiple disciplines are working with a client or a family at one time.
Families heal together, and when children see their parents heal, it ignites them to heal, and vice versa.
It's a holistic approach. We know that people aren't just one thing. We know that everything impacts everything else, and so you try to attack the problem by wrapping around the client to make sure that multiple aspects of life are being lifted at the same time.
Coburn has identified that there is a 2-gen pattern that goes on when it comes to domestic violence, when it comes to mental health, and when it comes to healing. So because we see this generational pattern going on, we've put together supportive services that help to break that pattern. And these are services that are offered to the family, meaning the parent and the child simultaneously. Not only am I the director of supportive services at Coburn Place, but I also was a survivor there as well. When I was there, I also had 2 children. I had a small child under the age of 1, and I also had a teen. Coburn Place was able to support both of those children. That was the most powerful portion of my healing journey at Coburn Place, was the fact that they actually went to programs every day for several hours, that my kids were having fun, that my kids had the same type of Christmas that every other family had in my community. Being at Coburn Place gave me the opportunity to really start my healing journey because I had support that I had never had any previous time.
So these services that are out in the community can help alleviate whatever mental or emotional issues or behavioral distressors that could be presented.
Wraparound services, again, for families that are displaced or going through a hard time, can be super beneficial to helping mother and child develop and progress on the same speed. Keeping both developing at the same time, or everyone who's included in that family system growing at the same time, releases pressure from multiple valves. And so wraparound services are really beneficial for families.
Seeing our survivors thrive after they're out of our program is the biggest impact that Coburn Place makes.